What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Alright, so you know how sometimes when you go into your car and then your phone possibly falls out and you don't know it falls out? Well, when I came out my car, I went to go move my seat back to go get something, and then I just heard a crack, and then I looked closer, it's my phone, and now it's bent and broken and look like this. And I just was wondering if you could turn it white for me.
Don't worry, I got you.
Our best days pass us by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
Your phone is ready, sir. And now, no more bent. Good to go.
Looks brand new. I didn't even know you could do this.
You got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.